Hey guys, Kevin here from Golden Dream Distilling in Wanganui. Now the other day we put down our wine, our Cantina wine, and it has been really cold here, so it's taken a little bit longer to ferment than what we thought. Okay, and we also learned something else, that we have lost roughly 2 odd litres. Okay, we filled it up to 21 litres, and so now we're down to, what's that, 18 litres. Okay, and we'll lose more once we siphon out everything. They call it racking it off. Okay, which is what we're about to go and do. So anyway, so right now we're going to go and rack off our wine into another barrel using a siphon pump. Rightio guys. So now that we've got a good flow going, okay, we'll just sit and wait. And it's got a strainer at the bottom there, so it should be good. Be interesting how many litres we get before we go and put our stabiliser on. Hey guys, rightio. So we've used the siphon as you saw, okay, and this is our settlement that is left over, or sediment, sorry, and that's not too bad at all. So we've ended up, which is a bit of a surprise, over here with just under or just over 18 litres of red wine, and now we're going to go and put our stabiliser in. This is our stabiliser, okay, so we just pour this in and we'll give it a stir around, and we do that a few times. So that's in. That over here is our clean spoon. Okay, I want to try not to get too many air bubbles. I must admit it smells very good. Rightio, so we still have a little bit of stabiliser on the top, so I'll give it another stir and we'll go from there. Right, so I've got a little bit left, so we'll do it again. Where we left off last time is we'd put in the stabiliser, and we had a few bubbles and we had to go away for a few days, so we're a couple of days into it and it is clear. That is lovely. Okay, and now we have to put in Finings. Okay, and this one here, we're just going to cut it in, stir it in really well, and then leave it for 3 hours. So we'll leave it till we get back. Okay. Get it all in there. Give it a good stir. Now we have sterilised the spoon. All the way to the bottom. It's smelling very, very nice. Okay, now we'll put our lid back on and we'll leave that alone for 3 hours, and then we'll do number 4, or B. Okay, cool. Talk to you soon. G'day guys, rightio. So we are going to go and put in our Finings part 4, okay, into our wine mix. And this is basically the last step. So take our lid off. So what we're going to do is we're going to tip this in and then stir carefully for 15 seconds. 15. So that's the key apparently. So here we go. Righty go. Give it a stir. And now we leave it overnight at that height, and we'll rack it off tomorrow, which means we're going to start bottling it. So there we go. So we'll catch you tomorrow for bottling day. Cheers, guys. There we go, guys. It's that time. Okay, it is that time. I've been waiting for this. So our wine is ready. So now we are just going to go and put it into some demijohns, because it's a nice big, they're 5 litres, as you guys know. So I'm just going to put it in. I'll put it around the side so you can watch. I'm just going to go nice and gentle so I don't get too many bubbles in there. We just got to pump it up first to let it start. It should be going. Just go nice and gentle. Hey guys, wow, that was a bit of a surprise. So we have a lot of wine. Okay, and as you can see, we've got them in demijohns, flip lids, wine bottles, and we have some little samplers. Okay, so I learned a lot doing it. Okay, use the siphon. Okay, hang it low and let it go in. It'll go in fairly quickly, not many bubbles at all, or you can trickle feed it. Don't do what I did and just open up the valve on the brew bucket, because you get a lot of bubbles. It comes out real quick though, but man, you get a lot of bubbles. So that is a faux pas on my behalf, so that'll probably be for me to drink. So, but otherwise, including that, you know, as you know, we got 19 litres or 18 litres, and we have a little bit of settlement in the bottom there. So absolutely fantastic. 2 thumbs up with it. Absolutely brilliant. So cheers guys. See you at the shop. Golden Dream Distilling. Come and grab yourself a wine kit and have a go. G'day guys, Kevin here from Wanganui. So now we have to put in stabiliser number 3, the small one of the 2. And now we have to put in Finings. G'day guys, Kevin here from Golden Dream Distilling in Wanganui. Now, the other day we put down our wine, okay? And it's been a week or so, and it's been fermenting. So our wine is fermented for the past week or so. It's been pretty cold. So basically rack it off means, so we're going to put our siphon in here. We're going to take it from here into our collection jar, and then we're going to put our A, B's and C's into it. Rightio. The reason we are doing it differently and not using a siphon hose is this barrel has a little dome at the bottom, so it's concaved at the bottom, so the settlement will actually settle at the bottom, way under here, far away from the tap. So now let's go. I must admit, it smells really good. Really good, in fact.
Stop, stop, stop. That's all wrong. You're not meant to get bubbles in it. Now you put air in it again. Wait for a little bit and think of plan B.
No, let's just put this one aside.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll put the lid on it because then we know we're not to use this
Okay,
one.
you don't think that people are going to go think, oh look, Fanny just missing? Okay.
No, the only person who do that would be Chase. And then you just you drunk it.